Hi everyone, I'm doing another smoothie video, just something quick and easy before I go up hiking today. Just a really short hike though, and then I'm off to the gym and then work. So I've got the organic mixed berries in here, which are the Oob brand, New Zealand company, and 2 organic bananas as well. And I'm going to add filtered water. Remember, you can use your plant milks as well if you want. So fill it up about that high with water. And because the other videos I did with one of them with Cola, I wanted to show you what it actually looks like. That's what it looks like, and it grows in the lawn up here in Cairns. And it's a really, really good herb for your immune system, skin conditions, anything to do with the brain as well, memory problems, dementia, Alzheimer's, etc. And if you want a bit of a boost of energy. So I have, well, I did pick 7, but I've lost 1 along the way. So I've got 6, and my mum was asking what mulberries look like because she still lives in New Zealand and I live in Cairns. And we have a tree in the backyard, so went out and picked some. They look like this. That one's not quite ripe. This one is ripe, and they're really, really good, full of nutrients. So I'm chucking them in my smoothie as well. And because I'm doing a bit of fat stripping, I'm using L-carnitine, this brand from Bioconcepts. It's pretty good. It retails for about $44. So I chuck in 1 cap of that, and coconut oil, about a tablespoon. And if you're curious, Cola also comes for herbalists in the big bottle. I actually prescribe it for a lot of my clients because it's a very versatile herb, and it's got a lot of different medicinal properties that I haven't listed in this video. Also, slippery elm powder, really, really good for gut issues. Obviously, you know, if you have IBD, etc., or GORD, you need to see a naturopath and get some other things in your treatment program. For just some general health, I have about a teaspoon in my smoothies. And you know, when I use my probiotic, it also has slippery elm in it, and I recommend obviously a dairy-free probiotic. Slippery elm tastes a bit funky and it becomes a thick gel pretty quick, so blitz it quite quickly once you chuck it in there. And mushroom complex, you know, it's got B12 in it, a bit of vitamin E, magnesium, etc. So if you're a bit low on vitamin D, it's quite good as well. Also get out into the sun. Here in Cairns, I would recommend getting out in the sun definitely before 9 AM for 5 minutes, and after about 4 o'clock, because you know it's quite hot up here. And very strange, but a lot of Australians are low in vitamin D. And vitamin D elevates your moods and energy levels and all sorts of things, so it's very important. Obviously all your nutrients are important. And I'm putting in carabine protein powder from Eagle Warrior. Tony Spears also does one, which is the container I have mine in, and it's just called Veg Pro Carab Protein. For those that go to the gym and are really focused on your protein intake, it's got all your essential aminos, etc. And all that junk that we've been taught about, you know, how you have to pair up rice and beans for a correct protein profile, etc. Not true. Sadly, it was a bit of a myth. Someone wrote a book in the, I think it was in the late 80s, about how you had to pair up, you know, different beans and rice, etc. to get the essential aminos. It's absolutely false, not true. So everything has protein in it. And I have not yet met anyone who is protein deficient. So, and I'll add a little bit of water as well to that. And of course, if you want to add some greens, you can add organic spinach, a handful. Normally I add sunflower sprouts They're really, really good for you, but I didn't get any this week at the market, so I had none left. So I'll get some tomorrow. And I just put a handful of those in as well. And I just blitz it up. That's what I have before gym or hiking. And it's super easy. And also, I highly recommend spirulina. I've been taking this for like 20 plus years. This brand I found is the best brand. No, I don't get paid by this company, by the way. And Lifestream, they're a New Zealand company. The spirulina is not New Zealand produced. It's, I forget where it's from now. I'd have to contact the company. It's, it could be America. Not quite sure, but I will check that anyway. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.